Peace and blessings, everyone. This is me, Sarah Iqbal Khan, and my co-host, Maria and Rita. I am pretty spectacular. Tell me, how are you doing, beautiful faces? How are you doing?
Fantastic, and I'm really excited about today's episode.
Well, that's great. Maria, what has happened? You're looking so down.
I couldn't sleep all night due to anxiety, you know.
Anxiety?
Yeah, anxiety of stars.
Dark? Oh my god, you're sounding so philosophical today. What happened?
I mean, darkness of ignorance. मैं इतनी non-serious रही हूँ अपने career के बारे में. Like I used to think why people take careers so seriously, why they're running after their careers. I mean, मुझे होता था अच्छा चलो डिग्री के बाद देख लेंगे career पे सारा कुछ. अब ये सोचो लाइक मार्स पे कॉलोनी बन चुकी है, पूरी की पूरी कॉलोनी बना ली है, जिधर आलू उग रहे हैं, टमाटर उग रहा है, पता नहीं क्या कुछ उगा छोड़ा है इन लोगों ने यहाँ पे. दुनिया कहाँ से कहाँ जा रही है और मैं आई एम नॉट इवन अवेयर कि मैंने करना क्या है. मुझे हाँ वीलॉगर बनना है, बट वीलॉगर आप ये सोचो कि क्या करियर आगे इमर्ज होने. वी हैव नो आइडिया. लाइक इन लोगों की इमेजिनेशन आप देखो, इट्स लाइक ऑन द नेक्स्ट लेवल. और मैं यहाँ पे गवाची गांव बनती फिर रही हूँ. मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं है कि मैंने क्या करना है. 2-3 फन फिर रही हूँ बस.
अब रुलाएगी क्या पगली? Well, the purpose was basically not to put you in this awkward situation, you know. We never stopped you from chilling out, from fun, because this is what is, required in life, in a balanced life. The purpose was basically to make all the students, everyone, including me, understand that you need to have a life and career plan. And for that, deep introspection is really much important. अच्छा, अब ऐसे करते हैं कि we are not going to play any more कौन बनेगा career पति. हम ऐसे करते हैं, इसको थोड़ा ट्विस्ट करते हैं. Let's convert it into a kind of mutual discussion format ताकि मूड थोड़ा लाइट हो जाए. So, do you guys agree?
Yeah.
Oh, yes!
Great. So now moving forward, as you all know that building the brand basically starts with strength, identifying strengths. And people who have strong brands, they know who they are, they know how to maximize their strengths, how to capitalize on them. And now it's your chance to unlock your top talent so that you can stand out of the crowd. And not only this, that you know your strengths, that is sufficient. Rather, you also need to have clarity, on your strengths, which means that what you think of yourself and what others think of you. So basically, through the external feedback, you will be able to validate your strengths and you will be able to identify your standout talents. वो आप लोगों ने एग्जाम्पल तो देखी होगी ना, वो जो गूगल पे पिक्चर्स पड़ी हुई है, images जिसमें एक there is a cat which is looking into the mirror and she is considering or viewing herself as a lion. So ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप खुद तो basically you're as small as cat but you consider yourself as a lion. So reality check is really important. So I guess now we better dive into some revealing questions.
Wait.
Yeah.
क्या आप हमसे बस ये पूछेंगे what are your strengths?
Yeah, hopefully.
No. So basically, revealing questions are those questions through which you will be able to drive your strengths. It's not that I'm gonna simply ask you what are your strengths. Rather, these are questions through which you will drive your strengths, and not only for this section, rather for the coming sections and all the areas which we'll be covering in this personal brand workshop.
Oh, I see. Can you please share that workbook with us, or can you also tell us some ideas like किस तरह के questions पूछे जा सकते हैं?
Alright, luckily I do have one personal brand workbook over here. So this is basically the personal brand workbook, and I highly recommend to all the students, including both of you, to undergo this entire activity. This personal brand workbook is adopted from PwC. So it's available online, unfortunately, and if few students or if any one of you is not interested to take advantage of this book or want to have some other stuff and material, then he or she can definitely can adopt some of the workbook as well. So, आप लोग तैयार हैं?
तैयार हैं.
Well, that's great. So, as we are, undergoing the strength section, so the questions किस किस्म के पूछे हुए इसमें, for example, what was the most successful project you ever managed and why it was successful? ठीक है? इसी तरह when faced with an overwhelming situation, What was that go-to skill through which you overcome it, right? Similarly, if you ever played a kind of very critical role in a team, then why you played it. And likewise, excuse me, like what are the skills which others, you know, really appreciate in you. तो अब इसमें मैंने कोई भी आपसे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा कि आप बताओ आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या हैं, राइट? इसमें इनफैक्ट मैंने स्ट्रेंथ्स का वर्ड भी यूज़ नहीं किया, ठीक है? So this was level 1 introspection about strengths. 2, you will get to know a few more introspective questions like what are those skills which you use over and over again? What are those skills which you have really mastered but you know you don't use them anymore? Similarly, what are those skills which can really help you out in terms of your career endeavors? तो जब आप ये दो sections, ये दो levels कर लोगे questions के, then you will finally move to a page where you will identify your 5 strengths. और यहाँ पर you know story ख़त्म नहीं हो जाती है exploration की. So जो आपने skills identify कर ली, जो कि आपके strengths हैं, then it's time for you to validate them.
Hold on a second. हम validate कैसे करेंगे?
Well, it's very simple. There could be different ways. You can validate it through external feedback from the people who know you well, through you know online portals in terms of online profiles, or you can say email, or even you know in person as well.
Can you please give some examples?
Examples of what? That how we can validate it? So, for example, both of you have some online profile like LinkedIn and all that.
Yes.
So you can, you know, write a note or statement over there that I am undergoing this workbook, this activity, and whereby I need, you know, your feedback on the strengths which I have identified. तो आप इस तरह से भी ले सकते हो, आप email भी कर सकते हो. उसके अलावा अगर आपने इसको anonymous रखना है, so what you can do, you can jot down your strengths on a paper. You can create different envelopes. और envelopes को आप different लोगों को दो और उनको बोलो कि उनका अपना feedback जो है इसके ऊपर वो without name mention करें. So this is how basically you know you can validate your thing. So to summarize, basically there are 3 C's which you really need to ensure that you know you have in terms of your a game plan. You have a good game plan. Any idea what are those 3 C's? Are you sure you have no idea? So those 3 you know C's are basically clarify, communicate, and capitalize.
What? C, clarity, what?
Okay, let me explain. So as I told you earlier that you need to know your strengths from your perspective and from the perspective of others.
Okay.
Right? So उसमें आप definitely आप validate करवाओगे लोगों से. Number 2 was communicate. So basically you need to share you know your strengths after validation in paper, in person, and online. And for example, you can incorporate or infuse those strengths in your resume, in your 30-second elevator pitch, or you know on your LinkedIn profile. And third and the last step is basically capitalize. So once you have all the strengths, now you need to look into the opportunities whereby you can leverage your strengths by you know interacting with the people at different conferences or by attending some volunteer programs.